Cache Giraffe not opening on iOS 18 is usually best handled by checking the app, iPhone connection, available storage, and updates before deleting the app. By the end, you'll know which iPhone settings to check first, and what to do if Cache Giraffe still crashes, freezes, or closes immediately after you open it. Start by force closing Cache Giraffe. Then, on an iPhone without a home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to open the app switcher. Find Cache Giraffe, then swipe its preview upward. Open Cache Giraffe again. If the app still will not open, restart your iPhone. Turn the device off, wait for it to shut down completely, then turn it back on, and test Cache Giraffe again. Next, check the App Store for a Cache Giraffe update. Open the App Store, search for Cache Giraffe, and install any available update. An app update can resolve problems that appear after an iOS update. You should also check for an available iOS update. Open Settings, select General, then Software Update. If Apple provides a newer version for your device, install it, and restart the iPhone. If Cache Giraffe opens and immediately closes, check your iPhone storage. Open Settings, select General, then iPhone Storage. If storage is nearly full, remove unnecessary files or apps, and try launching Cache Giraffe again. Then test your internet connection. Open Safari and load a website, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if available. Reopen Cache Giraffe after changing the connection. If you use a VPN or another network filtering service, temporarily disable it, and test the app again. A network configuration can sometimes interfere with an app that needs an online connection during startup. If Cache Giraffe still will not open, you can use the iPhone's offload app option before completely deleting it. Go to Settings General, iPhone Storage, select Cache Giraffe, and choose Offload App if the option is available. This removes the app while keeping its documents and data on the device, then you can reinstall the app. Avoid deleting Cache Giraffe immediately if you are unsure about your login details. Make sure you know how you will access the same account before removing the app completely. If none of these steps works, contact Cache Giraffe support. Include your iPhone model, iOS version, Cache Giraffe app version, and exactly what happens when you tap the app. The best order is force close. Restart the iPhone, update Cache Giraffe, check iOS updates, check storage, test your connection, and then consider offloading or reinstalling the app. Your next step is to force close Cache Giraffe and restart your iPhone before changing any account settings. If this fixed the iOS 18 problem, like the video and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe troubleshooting guides.